Hey there, and welcome to today's video. Are you ready to strengthen your core and get those abs toned? The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment, just a little space, some determination, and a few minutes. Let's dive into these simple and effective exercises that you can do right at home. 1. Plank. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. The plank is a classic move that engages your entire core. It's simple but incredibly effective. Start by lying face down, then lift your body onto your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your abs, making sure your hips don't dip or rise too high. Breathe deeply and hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds. Why it works. Planks strengthen not only your abs but also your back and shoulders, giving you a full core workout. 2. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 15 reps per side. This dynamic exercise targets the obliques and lower abs. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your legs off the floor, bending them at a 90-degree angle. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg straight out. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion. Pro tip: move slowly and focus on the twist to engage your core fully. 3. Leg raises, 3 sets of 12 reps. Leg raises are perfect for hitting those lower abs. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and arms by your sides. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor as you lift both legs toward the ceiling. Slowly lower them back down without letting your feet touch the ground. Repeat for 12 controlled reps. Tip: don't rush. The slower you go, the more your abs have to work. 4. Russian twists, 3 sets of 20 reps. Let's get those obliques working with Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Hold your hands together or grab a small weight if you want a challenge. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left, tapping the floor beside you with your hands. Make it count. Keep your core tight and controlled to maximize the benefits. 5. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Mountain climbers are great for blasting fat while toning your abs. Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body straight. Drive your knees toward your chest, alternating quickly like you're climbing. Maintain a steady pace for 30 seconds. Challenge yourself. Go as fast as you can while keeping good form. 6. Flutter kicks, 3 sets of 20 reps per leg. Flutter kicks are another great move for the lower abs. Lie on your back with your hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs a few inches off the ground. Alternate kicking your legs up and down like a gentle fluttering motion. Key tip: keep your core engaged and don't let your lower back arch. 7. Sit-ups with a twist, 3 sets of 15 reps. This twist on a traditional sit-up works your entire core and adds extra focus on the obliques. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Place your hands behind your head. Sit up, and as you reach the top, twist your torso to the right. Lower back down and repeat, alternating sides each time. Feel the burn. Make sure to twist fully to engage the sides of your core. Cool down. Great job. Now that you completed the workout, don't forget to stretch. A simple seated forward bend or cat-cow stretch can help relax your core muscles and improve flexibility.